discipline your thoughts. Stop thinking too much. Don't go into the past. Don't go into the future. Be in the present. Why? Because only then it's possible that the mind is free, capacity is free, and now you completely immerse into whatever you are doing. And this means you have arrived.
I've never met a person who was not successful that didn't have a great amount of self-discipline within their life. Self-discipline and being able to perform and being able to keep your life on schedule and being able to keep commitments and promises and meet deadlines is essential to success.
The Marines have a saying, everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die. And that's just real. At the center of bringing any dream into fruition is self-discipline.
Look, if you're going to become a concert pianist, there's going to be several thousand hours of extraordinarily disciplined practice. That's the imposition of order on your potential, let's say. But what comes out of that is a much grander freedom. And so virtually every freedom that you have in life that's true freedom is purchased at the price of discipline.
Discipline is the root of all good qualities. But you have to absolutely apply it to things outside of just waking up early. It's everything. It's working out every day, making yourself stronger and faster and more flexible and healthier.
Discipline is training. If you change your mindset and really focus it on what discipline really is, you start to welcome discipline. You welcome self-discipline into your life.
I don't want nothing to control me but me. And so I got to put myself under extreme discipline to make sure I'm free. So when people see me, you get up at 3, you don't drink, you don't smoke. I'm not doing that because I think I'm better than nobody else or I think you're going to go to hell because you had a drink. I want to control, I want freedom. And for me, disciplining myself means more freedom.
If you don't work out, you don't get a muscle, right? So I always tell people there's a daily practice like priming. If you don't do that, if you get up and you just have no discipline whatsoever, you get no value of anything. Your diets don't work when you don't do them. Exercise doesn't work when you don't do them. But most of the people have some experiences that they want to shift. And once you shift those things, your whole life changes. But life is constant growth. My life isn't here because I went to one seminar one time and now my life is fit for life. I work out, I train my mind, I train my body, and it becomes a lifestyle.
Basic fundamentals being applied over and over and over and over again. Getting up a certain time, doing certain things, cooking your meals, walking through the disciplines, keeping the checklist, and staying on top of them. Those are the things that, you string them together, start to create a day of efficient action. The more likely you are to string those days of efficient action together, the more likely it will be that you can set up your own success.
It's about facing your fears. It takes discipline to face your fears so you can conquer them. What discipline is. Discipline means taking the hard road, the uphill road, to do what's right.
Χωρίς την πειθαρχία, να πετύχω πράγματα. Είπα τελευταίως της κόρης μου, επειδή πήγε σε διατροφολόγο, και είπα της αγάπη μου, η διατροφή θέλει πειθαρχία. Και θέλει και να αλλάξει και κάτι στο μυαλό σου. Λέει μου, τι παπά, ότι δεν θα τρώεις ό,τι σου αρέσκει. Να τρώεις πολλές φορές κάτι που πρέπει να το φάεις, είτε σου αρέσκει, είτε δεν σου αρέσκει. Θέλει αλλαγή προγράμματος. Πειθαρχία. Και αν το κάνεις δηλαδή το πράγμα, θα έρχεται μια μέρα μες στη βδομάδα που μπορείς να τρώεις ό,τι θέλεις, αλλά δεν θα βγεις που την πειθαρχία σου. Διότι είναι και τούτο μες στην πειθαρχία. Ότι μια φορά απειθαρχώ. Εντάξει. Άρα πειθαρχία είναι να έχω ένα πρόγραμμα, το οποίο πρόγραμμα θα το κάνω κάθε μέρα, πάμε κάθε μέρα, θα προσέχω τι λέω, πώς το λέω, τι μηνύματα στέλνω στο νου μου και μετά θα είμαι σίγουρος ότι άμα βγάλω σωστό πρόγραμμα με σωστή πειθαρχία, στο τέλος του χρόνου να είμαι που πρέπει. Δέτε, τι θωρείτε. Ελίανα, ήταν που θωρείς και γλάρωσες. Γλάρωσες. Χριστάλλα, ήταν που θωρείς.
Μια κακή ημέρα, πιο κατήφορα.
Ξεκίνησε η κατηφόρα. Ανδρέα Νεοφίτου, τι βλέπεις? One bad day.
One bad day, αλλά ο τύπος θωρεί κάτω αντί να θωρεί πάνω στο one bad day.
Άρα θωρεί προς τα κάτω. Οκ.
Αγγελίς ανάποδα, να δει προς τα πάνω.
Δεν μπορεί να λέει το γιοντάρι μας που βάλω συνέχεια.
Είναι. Δεν έχουν να βάλει μες στο νου ότι...
Μια μέρα. Όχι. Να έρθουν. Όμως θα έρθουν και οι άσχημες μέρες. Όταν ξέρω ότι ήρθε μια άσχημη μέρα και είμαι που τα τώρα προετοιμασμένος ότι να έρθει, να πω είναι μια ημέρα που τσίντες κάποιες άσχημες που να μου έρθουν μες στη χρονιά. Το μήνυμα όμως είναι ότι δεν θα με που να κρυθώ, δεν θα με που να κρυθώ. Πάνω.